Hey, good evening once again. This is the Upper Live Show. Thank you for joining us, each and every one. If you locked in online with us, good. Thank you for joining us every week right here, 9 p.m. on TGM Radio. Make sure if you are watching us on Facebook, you can also log on to our Facebook page. It's called Upnlive Show. You can search for us. We're there each and every Tuesday as well, 9 p.m. Also, you can follow us on all the social medias, Instagram, Snapchat up as well. And also, you're going to be seeing us soon on some more platform. Stick and stay, more info on that, all right? Remember, the show is sponsored by Shush Prince and it's produced by World Mag Entertainment. Good. This week, like no other week, we always bring to you some special guests, and we like to see when the young talents are rising and doing good music. And so we're going to bring to you an artist that is on the steady rise and doing lots of positive music, and I like the direction this artist is going, and we're very elated to bring to you a presentation worthy of Dilution this evening. So we're going to dilute into some nice different type of music this is, all right? So people, the artist for the show this week, special guest, he goes by the name of Kal-I. I don't know if it's Kal-I or Kal-I. Correct me if I'm wrong. Good evening to you.
Evening.
Me get it right?
The first time you get it right, second time wrong.
See? Ladies and gentlemen, this is Kal-I, right?
Yeah.
Good. Welcome to the show. And could you just tell us a little bit about yourself?
First thing,
yep.
I don't consider myself an artist. I'm an
Nobody
entertainer.
coming with the supernatural.
No. Because
Sorry.
to be fair, I DJ and I host.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're lucky.
I'm an entertainer.
Okay.
All right. I'm not an artist. I don't want to disrespect the craft.
So why are you segregating it?
Say again?
Why are you stepping away from that side?
Artists have a bit more of a what's the word I'm looking for? Them don't do it for fun, just fun. Me do it for fun, and you know what I mean.
Okay, you enjoy it more.
Yeah, it's more. I do a lot of hosting and that, so it's more like a freestyle, a structured freestyle, more than them doing a song.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So isn't a DJ like me an entertainer as well too, brethren?
Yeah, but I'm an entertainer. I say a DJ and a host, and
Then
literally studio happened because Nitro said we're gonna try a thing, do this, jump on this rhythm. I said all right.
So if
And I went studio.
it wasn't for
I don't
that,
know
it's
why
still-
nowadays people afraid for tags.
Yeah.
I'm not afraid
Like-
for tag, you know. I'm not afraid for tag.
Like you keep like I don't know, like I'm a DJ, then I'm a drinker as well. Part-time drinker. So me can say I'm a DJ and a drinker. Take the tag them where them figure because if you dep on Instagram, everything on the tag on the page.
Yeah.
I tag that's somebody I don't need to tag on the craft because entertainer is such a wide basis.
Exactly.
Because if you're doing some business with say like for instance a Sony and them I say, okay, so explain yourself to me, tell me what you do. If you say entertainer, that don't narrow down nothing because an entertainer could be somebody in the filming industry as well.
But the narrowing down goes to then the DJ and the host.
Yeah, that's why is nothing wrong with categories.
Okay, he's afraid of them. So, for the time, we'll change that as Nitro did because he didn't accept certain things at the first. But
He's
now
accepted it now.
No, him have album. I don't have no album.
Okay.
I record music.
Why?
Why?
Try to big up yourself. Why?
Wait.
Try to say we not deal with nothing with Aladdin Bum projects.
Okay, projects. Listen, me don't know this white talk, you know, because
listen, me and you, brother. So the name Kal-I. Talk to me about that. How do you get the name?
literally that's my name.
Is that your right name?
That's my actual name. Means Swift Messenger from Jehovah.
Your father is a Rasta man?
My mother a Rasta, yeah.
Okay, me know the heavens.
Yeah.
Father
yeah.
is a Rasta, so me know what.
Yeah.
Yes, yourself. Were you born here in the UK or Jamaica?
No, I was born in Jamaica.
Which part of Jamaica?
I was born in St. Andrew's Hospital, but family's in Independent City.
Independent City. So you're a proper town man?
Portmore, yeah.
Portmore, yeah.
Not proper like that, because I lived there for 5 years, and then I moved to America.
Okay.
Stayed there for 8 before I come to England.
I love our place, man.
Accents a bit mixed up, so, you know what I mean? Yeah.
It'll work.
Yeah.
Of course. So the DJing craft now, you started playing music at what age?
Actually, I started off hosting. I had a friend, DJ Kells, way back when we was in high school, and he said he had a friend that DJ'd.
Are you
DJ
still
Kal-I.
not in high school? You look like you're still in high school, you know.
No,
Yeah?
I'm old. I'm old. I'm old. I'm old. So with my brother Kels, he said he has a friend that was a DJ and he needed a host because he don't want to talk. And I collected music on my phone. Them times was like Sony Walkmans, whatnot. And he said, just host for him because you got one-liners, you're funny and whatnot, da da da. So I said, all right, cool. Started off hosting, and I literally remember my first time hosted, I was shook. I couldn't say nothing. All I could say was, yeah.
Yeah.
The next song, yeah. That was it.
Was that nerves? Was that because as a result of nerves?
See
'Cause
that?
I thought everyone was looking at me. I thought everyone was looking
They
at
are
me.
looking at you.
But this is the thing, but they're not looking at you if you're doing well.
Yeah.
If you're doing rubbish, they look at you.
Okay.
So then I thought, I was doing rubbish at start, so I didn't know. And then until I built my confidence and got a bit better, and you know what I mean, from there, the
just
naturalness.
because we see that you have worked with a number of people in that area, we should say, until later on when you met Nitro, that's when you started to go into studio, make tracks. So how was the transition from freestyling as a host into being you don't want to be tagged, but I'm gonna call you an artist because you do record music.
I do, yes.
Right. How was that transition from being a host into being a recording artist?
It's a learning curve because funny story with the first time I went studio was literally when I did the tune on the Backers Rhythm. Okay. That's the first time I went studio.
The very first time.
First time I went studio to record a song was that.
And how was that experience for you?
It was a learning curve because everybody laughed. Everybody laughed because, for example, the engineer said to me, "Oh, all right, you did the whole thing. I did it all," and then he goes, "Oh, we're gonna do the punches."
Yeah.
So he said, "All right." I said, "All right, cool." He pressed the play now, and I didn't know what punches were.
You kept missing.
No, I didn't know
what
they were.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I just pretended like I did, and then Nitro and the engineer start laugh, and then Mac he start laugh as well. So I'm thinking, what? So he had to explain to me what punches were. Then I said, all right, but when he explained to me, I started doing ad libs.
Okay.
So I was like, it sounds like the same thing you're saying to me. So you had to break it down again.
I can tell you something. Me don't know what name punches. I punch me now as box.
No, so you don't know punch and ad lib and
Punchline.
these things.
No, all right. I know punchline and so on, but
Not
for the recording term, if say if me going to one studio and him said do the punches to me, probably do words like
because nowadays all studio work no song recording in one take.
Yeah.
So you might record say first. Say I might record a chorus.
And you have to double
Then
it up.
you probably double it up.
Yeah.
Then they probably go over it and
Put
put a harmony over it.
Yeah.
And then in the first of the song you probably record the ad libs them first and whatever. It all coming in pieces by pieces, not like one time.
And then the time all together.
We know say studio one record the and press
one go.
if you mess up
I eat
will record that in a brother.
Yeah.
I eat that.
So you don't know come again you do like so because sometimes you're singing and you miss a key. So them say do it again, find a different key. Straighten your voice a bit, like it can be your song, you make it up, but you sing a part or you DJ a part and it's not song good and them say yo put some roughness in that part there,
Yeah.
soft down that part there, put some harmony in there, look at something. So the recording thing it's all about a learning curve, as we say.
Exactly.
Because as we say that's your first time recording a full song, the backers. So that's what, less than a year ago?
Yeah, it was. Yeah. So with that now, it's because I can actually make things quickly.
Yeah.
Okay.
I just have something in my head and then I play like word association with myself.
Okay.
So that's how things happen.
Okay.
So for example, even in the Backers Rhythm tune where I said about vegetarian, take aubergine, hard food you want girl, make me dashing, potato and banana, make me plantain, me a farmer, you want harvesting. That's word association for me.
Yeah.
And it's
And
a
it
bit
works.
more, because patat
It's almost
is
like
actually
poetry.
a Creole word for me can't say bad words.
Yeah.
Patat is a Creole word for vagina. Me not say bad word.
Yeah.
It's a Creole word for vagina.
Good move.
So
What Creole
patat
is
one
that?
banana, make me plantain.
What Creole word is that? Potat.
Patat, vagina.
Because me know
What
pum
country?
pum, I know pussy, so me I say which
No,
country?
Creole is French Creole.
That's why
Like,
me ask where you associated with country.
because when me and Nitro did a few bookings overseas in France and that, we did
learned,
Montpellier
okay,
Carnival.
okay.
We met a few people and we caught onto their words.
Alright.
Some of them what they were saying and some of
Okay.
them told us what some of them meant. So one of my friends, Leah, she was explaining a song to me. I forgot which song it was now, but it was a soca song. And one of the words that the guy said was patat. And what he meant by patat was vagina.
Okay.
So did you do that to
patat
aim at
and
like the French market?
I didn't, but it came to my head that patat, potato, patat, hard food, potato.
It's almost like poetry as well.
Yeah, it is.
To some respect, yeah.
It is.
Yeah.
So
It is.
I play a lot of word association.
A lot of
with
word, but
songs.
that one, if most of the Jamaican they know say pussy mean, they won't appreciate it because they must say pussy and food not for mix, brother.
Okay, but that's not what I said, but it's a hard food, isn't it? Hard food she want. So she said about vegetarian, take aubergine. So you see, like for example, when them say, oh, she want meat or something, so.
Yeah.
So if a girl say, oh, you want some meat? Oh, I'm a vegetarian. Oh, you're a vegetarian? Take aubergine.
Yeah.
Okay.
Eggplant emoji, aubergine, CMT.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Get the wordplay, man. Know
Yeah.
yourself.
So that's where it was going.
So and so that works for you, and is that your course of action for the rest of your music, or do you have any other tricks in the bag?
Not necessarily tricks. It's just literally what comes to my mind.
Okay.
Because most of my stuff like comes to me while I'm driving or
Okay.
just doing other things. Something will come to my mind and then I'll just write it down and say, okay, cool.
Okay.
So
Are we going to pretend that he's driving? No. We're going to put.
no.
Do you want to ask him something?
There's a few. So your latest project you're working on now. What do you have like you working on? Because you've done something in the back already. We heard it.
Yeah.
Do you have anything that you're working on now?
Funny enough, yes. Natoxi sent me a rhythm. I think it was last week or the week before. Last week. And that was on a Thursday. And by Friday night, I had everything finished. But I just need to go studio and record it.
Okay.
Which I will do Thursday.
Okay.
So in 1 week time.
Yeah.
Okay.
And got a project I'm working on with Nitro as well. Not necessarily a wind up song like we always do, but
Something different, a crossover.
Slightly different, you know what I mean? But
We're still waiting on the dancing tune still.
Oh yeah, dancing tune.
Okay,
Yes. All right.
thanks.
We need
That
to
makes
do that.
sense. So let's have a few more questions before we go, because I know we're limited on time, but I just want to find out you playing here in the UK when you normally play, because I know you with Nitro a lot. How do you find yourself? Because obviously you grew up in Jamaica, you grew up in UK, you grew up in some America. How do you manage to assert yourself as a DJ? Are you bound to play in a particular genre that you're more accustomed to? Do you take on to the UK side more, your Jamaican side, or the American side? How do you display your craft?
Well, to be honest, I play everything. However, I do have a radio show that I play on Saturdays in the afternoon where I play Caribbean music. So literally just Caribbean vibes, and it's reggae, dancehall, soca, anything around that.
So who influenced you? Sorry, go on.
Sorry, just based on that point, what's the name of the radio station and what time do you play?
It is No Signal, so it's www.nosignal.live, and
you
I
are on
play
what time?
Saturdays 3 till 5.
Okay, cool. Go ahead, Rick.
That's wicked.
Yeah.
And I want to ask you a personal question. I don't know if you want to tell us, because I'm quite intrigued by your age, because you're telling me, say, back in the days when you were, and to me now, I'm going to guess your age, you look about 20.
No,
Up again?
Yeah.
Yeah, go away, brother, 25?
No.
Up again?
Sorry.
Yeah.
Talk to me, man. Me not guess again. 27?
No.
29.
No.
Eh?
32. Why are we even
Basically,
doing
yes,
this?
yes.
Is that a yes or no?
Yes, 32. I will be 32 in some days.
Yeah, go and good for your age,
Happy
brother.
birthday when it comes.
Yeah.
Respect.
Yeah.
Big
Thank you
of
very
yourself.
much.
And you know, I continue doing it. I like because I've seen some of your things that you're doing.
Yeah.
I like your craft and how you're steadily growing. And you will get there. And the artistry side, keep doing more of what you're doing. Because even the song that you did on the back of it, I heard it once. And I like it. As I said, the wordplay is very important. And these are the things I like to comment young artists on. Like making sensible songs with lyrics, not just because you are trying to mash up something, but something where actually make the mind think rather than just saying boom.
Yeah.
Make it the thoughts. That's what works for me. Good. That's
What advice would you give to anyone that's trying to get into the entertainment field? Because you're not an artist, you're not an MC, you're an entertainer. What would be your best advice during this time period?
Best advice would be network and be humble, because if you step into something too big for yourself, people's not gonna like you and you lose straight away.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It's the whole entertainment industry is all about likability, because people buy into personality. And sometimes even if the things you do are rubbish, your personality, people will take to that, and
they gravitate to.
Yeah, so people more buy into personality as well as talent. Talent is important, definitely. But yeah, personality is also important.
Okay, so this is the part where we see your talent. So
Yeah.
you're gonna be pretending that you're driving in your car.
I drive.
All Star DJs, your turn.
Take it away.
So this is the part where we're gonna just give you free reign to do what you're doing. You don't have no
There's no restrictions. You can
restrictions.
be yourself.
You be yourself. Jog an All Star, do your thing.
Alright. Alright. Start easy, yeah? Okay. So the first one I did was wine and stuff, yeah? Every gal fear wine and stop. Waistline move, gal, wine and Every gal fear wine and catch. Me say waistline move, gal, wine and alright, which position? Which position? Which position? Oh, you want it, gal? Me say which position? Which position? Which position? Oh, you want it, gal? From front, from back, on the side, get on top. From front, from back, on the side. We may tell the girl them if you're tall, short, slim, fat. Every good girl deserve back shot. Love how your wine, girl, sit down pan that. Your breast them nice and your boom boom fat. Me say sit down pan it, squat pan it thing. Balance yourself, make your waistline fling. Better than Bayesian, gal, bambing. Me a Scorpio, gal, come whole last thing. Me say take planting, long planting, tick planting, right planting, take planting, long planting, tick planting. Let me tell you, gal a call me, tell me if you come over. Get on top, say she a come over. When dog a roam, call me Range Rover. Don't touch drunk, gal, them a fi be sober. Say she have a man, make me love under the cover. Him not gonna know, undercover lover. Benz Bonani, cocky it a chauffeur. A your fat gal, where you something it a chauffeur. Knock me gal, hold up, you a tease gal. LBW, knock out your knees gal. Something jump up, send you up inna the trees gal. You feel so high like you a smoke some trees gal. You want body, you want hood. You want cocky, you want it good, you want it long, you want it strong, you want it from a real long. Hey, you want body, you want wood, you want it good, you want it long, you want it strong, you want it. Hey, girl, watch ya. Alright. Hey, girl, watch ya. Hold on, yeah. Let me catch it. Let me catch it. Let me catch it. Let me catch it. Hey, girl, come listen to me, no. Here say you something small like some me want sample it. Dash out your Georgia. Give me little something cocky, want me to. When you bubble up your body for the up top. Boss, if the thing too tight, me I go come too fast. When you quick up, they must make the whole thing glass. Back it up, back it up, back it up. Hey, cat, back it up on it like that. Back it up on it like that. Back it up on it like that. Hey, gal, sink in your back. Make the left side bounce one drop. Make the right side bounce look back. Make the two cheeks them clap, 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 clap.
Make it clap. See there. Take out the bass. I'm even tell you. Live in the studio freestyle, you know, Kal-I, you know. Now what you need, man? I need one little sauce, funny. One little. You know, where we could brother with the answer, him do it?
When the salt is something, what's up?
You want one little something, funny one. One little Kal-I.
Like,
You're gonna find something.
We're gonna find something for you.
Alright,
I'll
alright.
tag you when you find it, you know. So, yeah, put it on it. But big up yourself, and thank you very much for passing through. Can you give us some socials or how people can find you, please?
You can find me at ITSKALIUK on literally everything: SoundCloud, Mixcloud, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook. ITSKALIUK. That's me.
Wicked, wicked, wicked.
We're not
And
using the archive account? No?
Hmm?
We're not using the archive account?
Which archive?
Don't you have a DJ?
Oh, the backup one. Yeah, that's I don't even know
DJ
the backup one.
DJ
It's
Kal-I archive.
oh yeah, that one. But that one's just things I've done in the
Okay,
past
cool.
and whatnot. It's more like a
archive.
it's an archive literally.
No problem.
Big up yourself. Thank you.
Also, before I go, I
Yeah.
have to big up the Caribbean Part UK family each and every time. That's me and Nitro and Fats and Vibes and the whole family and everything.
Yeah.
So yeah.
I mean, he's a part of the family, but you just don't know. Yeah. How long I forget we are waiting for me invite from Nitro, but Nitro we'll see we will fight you.
We got that third cousin.
Cause him like, tell him, Mr. Listen, message to Nitro, Mr. Nitro, cause every day you get up and you go up on your social media and you lift up this bag of iron. When you're ready, you know, we have a boxing match, yes, sir. Rick versus Nitro. I mean, no, I'm not lose, you know, because you're too heavy, you know.
You know what I do that. You name Nitro for a reason, you know.
Okay. But yeah, thank you for passing through.
Thank you
all
very
the
much for
best
having me.
with your journey. We're looking forward to more things to come.
Thank you very much.
More play on words.
Of
Yes.
course.
More MCing when
Yes.
when
There's
when the
more,
place-
there's more.
Yes.
Life
Big up
after
yourself.
lockdown.
Life after lockdown. That is
Good
it.
seat
That
there.
is it.
Thank you very much for
No
passing
worries.
through. Kal-I was here, people, and